Hello, we are working on putting our numbers in order again today, okay? So we're going to be doing an assignment called the Digit Detective. So let's go through it together. I like this assignment because it's kind of self-correcting, meaning that if you put the wrong number in, it's going to give you a thumbs down, okay? But if you put the right number there, it's going to give you a thumbs up, okay? All right, so we're going to start right here, okay? So we're going to go backwards first, okay? So actually, there we go. Okay, we're going to go backwards first. So we're going to go 14, 13, 12, 11. What would be the missing number? So I'm going to do this one for you guys so that you can kind of see what I'm talking about when I say that it's self-correcting, okay? So I'm going to move the correct number 14, 13, 12, 11. Everybody say 10. And I'm going to move that number and I'm going to put it on top of that file right there, okay? And when I moved it, did you see what popped up? A thumbs up, okay? That shows that that is correct, okay? Move down to the next one. We're going to move the missing number, okay? 16, 15, 13, 12. Which one of these is correct? 17, 14, or 11? Move the missing number to help you. You'll get a thumbs up if it's a correct, if you'll get a thumbs down if it's wrong, okay? We're going to move this missing number. Blank 7, 6, 5, 4. So what comes right before 7? Or right after if we were counting in order. We're counting backwards right now, okay? Would it be 9, 10, or 8? Remember, after you move that number, you will get a thumbs up or a thumbs down if it's incorrect. 11, 10, 8, 7. Which one of these will we put in there? 6, 9, or 12? Go ahead and move that missing number up to the file. Okay, and then this is the last part of your math assignment. You're going to be working on number sense, okay? So that means you are going to be, you're going to be finding the number that's missing like you were before, okay? All right, so it says first grade number sense supplying numbers, okay? So let's go ahead and let's count these. So it says 13, 15, 16, 17. Which one of these is missing? And we'll do this one together. So we're going to go ahead, there's a circle over here. We're going to go ahead and drag this circle on top of the correct number. So 13, 14. 14 would be the correct one. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 14 would be the correct one. The same thing over here, you would drag the circle over the number that's missing, okay? So blank 11, 12, 13, 14. It would be 10, 15, or 9. And then over here, 11, 10, we're counting backwards. 11, 10, blank, 8, 7, would it be 12, 6, or 9? And then over here, 15, 16, 17, 18, would it be 14, 19, or 20? Remember to take this circle over here and drag it over the correct number, okay? 5, 6, 8. What comes after 6? Go ahead and drag that circle over the missing number. And then 9, 10, 11, and then which one would be correct? 8, 13, or 12, okay? You're going to go ahead and move those circles over every missing number for these, okay? All right, guys, I hope you have fun with the Digit Detective today.